Graph and state the domain and range. G of x equals the natural log of x minus 4. So we'll select some x values and calculate the corresponding g of x values on the calculator. I'm going to start with x value of 4.1 because we know that for the natural logarithm, we need to take the natural logarithm of non-negative numbers. And so we want to take the natural log of something positive here. So 4.1 would give us a positive value. Then we'll select 5, 6, and 10 just to spread it out. So this would be the natural log of 4.1 minus 4, which would then be 0.1. And that's approximately equal to negative 2.3. Then for 5, it would be the natural log of 5 minus 4, which is 1, and that's equal to 0. For 6, it would be the natural log of 6 minus 4, which is the natural log of 2, and that's approximately 0.7. And for 10, it would be the natural log of 10 minus 4, which is the natural log of 6, and that's approximately 2.3. So now let's plot those points and connect them with a smooth curve. 4.1 would be approximately here, and that has a value of negative 2.3, which would be approximately there. 5 has a value of 0, so it's right here. 6, remember, has a value of 0.7, so it's about there. And 10 has a value of 2.3, so it's about right there. Now, drawing a smooth curve, it looks like this. And you'll notice that 4, or x equals 4, acts as a vertical asymptote. So the domain, you'll see, begins just beyond 4 and through infinity. So the domain, in interval notation, we would write it as 4 through infinity. For the range, remember, is all the y values. You'll see that it spans all possible y values. And so it's this set of real numbers.